This side, Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. As we speak, Treasury Consulting Group is a multinational headquartered group based out India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. More importantly, we hold offices and we operate our own hedge fund, which is proprietary, which means we invest our own capital, nobody's capital. 100% profitable hedge fund, 100% profitable company, $0 backing from any private equity and venture capitalist, and operate many platforms like learning platforms, OTT platform, news platforms, and all. In case you wish to have any information, you can definitely WhatsApp on my personal number +91 9899 242 978. Alternatively, you can WhatsApp on our back office, which is +91 9818 485 155. First, let me read the article which is published on 17th August 2021 in Indian newspaper Live Mint. Online drugstore PharmEasy. It is wrong. Online loss-making drugstore PharmEasy, which bought diagnostic chain Thyrocare in June, aims to raise $1 billion at a valuation of $9 billion in its initial public offer later this year. Two people direct aware of the company said. API Holdings, the parent company of PharmEasy (loss making), will raise the entire amount by selling new share to the people on the condition of anonymity. Very good, because loss-making company can be valued at $9 billion. Steve Jobs was idiot. Throughout his lifetime, he worked for profit. He should learn from these companies that without having a profit, he can be $9 billion. And he worked throughout for profit. Take from Steve Jobs. Data published 14th September 2021 in Indian newspaper Live Mint. PharmEasy appoint 5 independent directors. The new appointment include Vinita Rai, a retired IAS officer who was ex-Revenue Secretary of India, Subramaniam, who was recently retired as a CFO of Titan, Ramakant Sharma, founder and COO of Lipspace, Dr. Jaideep Tank, a gynecologist based out of Mumbai, and Secretary General FOGSI, Deepak Vidya, who has decades of experience in the field of pharmaceutical, microfinance, healthcare, and private equity. Very good, sir. My simple question to all these 5 respective people, Madam Vinita Rai, Mr. Subramaniam, and Ramakant Sharma, Dr. Jaideep Tank, and Deepak Vidya. You all are independent directors and you know your role as an independent director. So I don't think I need to tell you what is the definition of independence. Let it be honest. Can any of you tell me how come a loss-making company bought a profitable company, Thyrocare, and now they bought another company, named, I think at 144 million valuation, and now they are looking for initial public offer, and now they are looking for $9 billion of valuation. Can these independent directors tell me, because I would definitely be investing in their IPO once it comes. Even though I need to break my FDs, mutual fund, I definitely would be investing. That how come a loss-making company valued at $9 billion? That is a very important question. And how come a loss-making company valued at $9 billion and can raise $1 billion? which is around 7,400 crore. So I would be extremely grateful to these independent directors if they would help me resolving this, because my knowledge is finance is very poor, you know that's a separate thing. I shot 8,000 videos till now. I operate a profitable hedge fund. Without venture capitalists, the company is extremely profitable. My knowledge is very poor in finance, but maybe these independent directors can help me improving my knowledge, because my knowledge is not helping me. That how come a loss-making company raise 1 billion and value of 9 billion? Even Steve Jobs, to whom I love the most, watching from the sky, he also would like to improve his knowledge. Please help me. I would really be grateful. This is Rahul Magan from Treasury Consulting Group. We all know, what I wanted to say. Have a great time ahead, guys. Thank you.